Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beautiful Yads and I'm back with another video. This is a business video, business/entrepreneurship type of video. So today we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of starting a business, starting and running a business, or the common mistake business owners make. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to title it until I actually upload it, but it'll be something around that that type of topic. So keep on watching. Let's go. So number one, we'll start off with failing to plan. Before you start a business, you definitely want to plan. You want to have all your ducks lined up, basically. You don't want to just jump into starting a business and basically not knowing what steps to take to scale your business. You want to grow, you want to start a business for it to grow, right, over time, because anything that is not growing, then it's dead. So definitely want to plan. You can put a business plan together, use the internet, Google, or research, just do your research on creating a business plan and just get right to it. Don't overthink it. Don't do none of the extras. Just write out a solid business plan and stick to it. Number two, you definitely want to invest in marketing. Marketing is absolutely everything when it comes to business. If you want to sell, if you're selling rocks, like literally rocks, which some people may think that is a crappy product to sell. Let's say you're selling rocks and they bring people good luck or something like that. But if your marketing is A1, then people are going to buy your product. And no matter if the rock is $50 to $100, however much it costs, people are going to buy it based off of your marketing. Just to keep it real with y'all, if your marketing is up here and your product is like whatever kind of product, your marketing could really shoot your business up there to the next level. Another thing is underpricing your product. You don't want to underprice your product. When going into business and trying to figure out the type of pricing you want to do your research and charge what you want to charge. Charge however much you need to charge to get the profit that you desire. Now, when I say charge what you want to charge, I don't mean try to charge something that is affordable to people. You want to charge what you want to charge based off of the type of market that you want to reach. So, for instance, there's a shirt on Fashion Nova for, I don't know what, $20. And that same exact shirt, but with the LV on it, selling at Louis Vuitton, is for thousands of dollars. The same exact shirt, but a different type of logo on the shirt. That's what makes the difference. And the type of audience that business is targeting. That's what makes a world of a difference as well. Marketing, target market, all of that. Another common mistake is waiting too long to launch and wanting everything to be perfect. There's no such thing as perfect. There really is no such thing. It's an illusion. So you want to strive for progress, not perfection. Okay, I literally have that written on my board because I preach that to myself too. Like, don't worry about things being perfect. Just worry about there being some progress and growth. Okay, because that's what matters. Do the necessary research, plan, and then launch. Okay, do what you need to do and then launch. Don't overthink it. Don't think too much about it. None of that. Just do the necessary steps prior and then go ahead and launch. And don't worry about what people are going to think. Don't overthink it. Basically, that's all I'm trying to say. Another common mistake may be not filing the legal documents that is necessary to starting your business. If you're serious about the business, like, you want to file for the proper legal structure. You want to register your business within your state, and you want to have all your paperwork together, whether you're starting a sole proprietorship or a LLC, C Corp, S Corp, whatever it is. You want to have all your paperwork together, and all you got to do is use our best friend Google. Do your research, see what things you need, what paperwork you need for what type of business structure you want, and you're set. You're set. Another common business mistake would be not reinvesting your money into your business. Like, I feel like starting my business out, like, I feel like that was the easiest thing to do, was reinvest the money that I made back into my business, and literally all of it. Like, I'm not paying myself, at least in the beginning, I wasn't. This is just like a beginner tip though, because I do recommend that you pay yourself as your business grows and as you can afford it. Like, when I would buy products and they would sell, I would literally take all of that money that I made from the sales, including the money that I put in and the money that I profited. I would keep all of that together and use that and reinvest it back into my business for products or ads, marketing, all of that. Another common mistake business owners might make is not using their leads, their emails that they have. You definitely want to be capturing people's emails when you have your website set up. Matter of fact, you can get a bunch of new leads by creating a free product and getting people to sign up, entering their emails that way. That's how I did. And I was able to get like 200 emails like in a couple of hours from me releasing one free ebook. So yeah, it's not free anymore, but it was free once upon a time. I created an ebook on how to find your target market on my website, beautifulyaz.com. Just click the tab and it'll be under the business related tab, and you'll find all the ebooks and business related things that I'm selling. So yeah, check it out. Another common mistake may be launching your business too early. I know it's kind of contradictory to the other mistake that I mentioned before, but hear me out. So before you launch your business, you must let the people know that you are going to be launching and the date that you're going to be launching. Doing so lets people know ahead of time, lets people get their coins together so that they can purchase your service or product or whatever it is that you're selling. And it basically gives you time to basically hype up your product or service. You definitely want to do that. You want to hype up your product, your business. You want to create excitement about your product or service before launching, because it will give people excitement, and they're gonna be thinking like, oh, I can't wait till such and such drop. Such and such is dropping on this date, and I'm gonna buy such and such from them. Like, they already know what they're gonna buy. So you want to make sure that you build up hype and excitement around your business before launching, because for one, it'll get you followers, it'll get people excited and hyped for your business to launch based off of whatever you're selling, service or products. And you want to give them like little sneak peeks of what it is that you're going to be selling and all that good stuff, you know. Another common mistake may be not branding. You want your business to have bomb branding. I said bomb, not perfect, so don't get it confused. Because you want to start. You don't want to be so worried about things looking perfect that you never launch. But yeah, you want your branding to be on point. You want all your stuff to look cohesive. Like, you want a branding color, a branding font, certain type of graphics. You want your stuff to look like it all goes together, basically, to where it looks nice and neat and clean and professional. That way people will trust you even more once they see how clean your stuff looks. Another common mistake may be that business owners are not marketing enough. Did I already say that? Well, it's worth saying again. Like, okay, so social media, right? Social media is extremely important in this day and age for business being successful. So you want to definitely make sure that you're marketing on a consistent basis. Is that the right word? I'm hungry, y'all, and I'm pregnant. I got pregnancy brain right now, and I'm still... Okay, so you want to definitely make sure that you're marketing on a consistent basis. That is the right word to use, right? Yeah. But yeah, you posting once a week or even once a day may not be enough. I would say posting at least 3 times a day, even if it's just 5 days out of the week, or if it's every day. That's great. Once you basically learn what works for you, what works for your business, all you have to do is just rinse and repeat. Just keep doing the same thing. Once you figure out what works, keep doing the same thing, and it will continue to work. Another common mistake business owners might make is not doing enough research in their field. Before you jump into a certain industry, you want to make sure that you're knowledgeable about it and that you can actually answer questions if your customers have questions about your product or service or whatever it is that you're selling. For instance, I'm a hairstylist, so I am knowledgeable about hair. But okay, let's say if I wasn't a hairstylist and I didn't know nothing about hair, but I wanted to sell hair, so I started selling hair. But if my customers are asking me like, oh, what type of texture is this, or what type of length, or have specific questions like, I don't know, what's the best shampoo and conditioners to use for this type of hair? Is it raw hair? Is it virgin hair? Is it double drawn? Those type of questions. You should be able to answer those questions. And to be able to answer those questions, you have to do the necessary research before you jump into that industry. You don't want to be out here looking dumb, can't answer questions about your own product. So definitely do your own research. Whatever it is that you're selling, not just the hair industry, whatever. I'm pretty much going to try to wrap it up and give you guys like an outline of basically what we just went over. So went over that you want to correctly price your product or service, definitely want to plan, definitely need to invest in marketing, definitely need to be consistent, definitely need to make sure that your business is properly structured, all the legal documents are taken care of for your business. You don't want to launch too quickly. You want to launch without thinking everything has to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. It just has to be nice and neat and professional. Email marketing is very necessary. If you're not using your emails, you're leaving money on the table, period. Branding is extremely important. And research is definitely necessary, okay? So I think that kind of sums it up. I hope I didn't leave anything out. But this is YouTube, so you could just tap and go backwards into the video or watch it however many times you need to. So, all right, bottom line is to surround yourself around people that are doing what you want to do or that are on a level that you want to be on, and learning from them and getting advice from them. Occasional mistakes are inevitable, but the most important thing is making sure that you learn from your mistakes, okay? Every business makes mistakes. Nobody's perfect, like I said before. But the most important thing is learning from your mistakes, okay? So you want to make sure you learn from your mistakes and pivot your business model as you need to avoid making the same mistakes. Learn from them, do better. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up. I'm going to end this video. Hopefully it's not too long. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. And in the comments, let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. So yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all.